Okay, well, the snow did not disappoint. I haven't been out here to this little shop yet, so I guess we'll see on how bad it is and see on if it falls. So, okay, to be honest, it's not that bad. Let me turn the light on. Okay, get the light plugged in, and we just have very little snow that's blown in here. And to be honest, it is shockingly warm in here, being there's no heat. The building seems really quite tight, considering the one wall is tall and you still have daylight through it. So I say once you get this building completely sealed up and finish the insulation, I say we're gonna have something pretty decent out here.